Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities Morning Podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. In trade yesterday, despite the day starting on a negative note, Nifty recovered over 300 points from the low point of the day to close the session 0.5% positive at levels of 21,840. It was Bank Nifty which took the lead yesterday in the rebound rally from its 200 DMA and closed 1% positive, outperforming Nifty and other sectorial indices. Nifty, if we see in the past 7 weeks, is broadly trading between 21,400 and 22,100 range. We expect indices to continue trading in the range amid sector rotation. Index is likely to witness resistance at higher levels around 22,000, 22,050, while support is placed at 21,750, 21,700 area, which is the 20-day EMA. Below 21,700, index could retest the support area, that is the levels of 21,570, 21,540. While above 22,050, Nifty could witness renewed momentum up to the levels of 22,180, 22,250. If we look at the OI data, Nifty futures ended the day 0.43% higher, while the OI declined by 0.82, indicating short covering from lower levels. If we look at the PCR data, Nifty PCR has improved to 1.20 levels. Call writing was witnessed across 21,900, 22,000 strikes, while on the put front it was majorly witnessed in 21,800, 21,700 strikes. So implying support at 21,700, 750 zone and resistance on the upside at 22,000, 22,050. The overall range for the coming few sessions could be 21,700 on the downside and 22,050 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, the 200 DMA zone, that is the levels of 44,850, 44,900, has been successfully defended in all 5 attempts in the past 2 weeks. Broadly, the index is oscillating between 44,800 and 46,500 in the past 2 weeks, and the underperformance is largely due to the breakdown in HDFC Bank, which remains the key from here on, along with ICICI Bank and Axis. Going forward for Bank Nifty, 46,100, 46,200 is likely to act as resistance, while support is seen in the zone of 45,600, which is the 10-day EMA. In case 45,600 breaks, the index can test its next swing support placed at 45,200, 45,100 mark. While on the upside, in case Bank Nifty is able to take out the levels of 46,200, it could witness a short covering rally on the upside towards 46,500, 46,600 mark. Coming to the OI data for Bank Nifty, so the Bank Nifty futures gained 0.78%, while cumulative OI declined by 5.23%, indicating short covering. If we look at the PCR data for Bank Nifty, significant writing is seen in 46,000, 46,100 calls, and on the put side it is majorly seen in 45,800, 45,600 puts, implying a range of 45,500, and on the upside it is resistance is seen at 46,250 mark for the coming few sessions. Sectors and stocks in momentum. So Nifty, PSU Bank and oil and gas were the best performing sectorial indices, gaining 3.24 and 3.1% respectively for the day. Amongst the constituents, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, IOC, BPCL, Hind Petro, Reliance were well placed on the charts and displayed strong traction. Among the auto stocks, it was mainly led by Maruti, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motors and TVS Motors have all witnessed fresh breakout and on the charts with decent build up in the open interest data front on the long side. From the broader market, if we see, bullish setup was observed in Coal India, Hudco, IRB, National Aluminium, HCL Tech and L&T Finance. Coming to the FII-DI data, in the cash segment, FIIs sold to the tune of 3,929 crores, while DIs bought to the tune of 2,897 crores. FI long short ratio for index futures is still weakish at 35.99 on a net basis, This as they covered 1745 index futures. On the stock futures front, FIs have sold to the tune of 12,718 contracts, while on the options front, FIs bought 1,07,664 call contracts and bought 1,42,370 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast. Wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.